Multilogin is a reliable anti-detect browser for managing multiple Gmail accounts without the risk of bans. In this demo, we'll create isolated browser profiles with built-in proxies for your Gmail accounts. Let's start by opening your workspace. This is where all your browser profiles are created, organized, and managed. From the dashboard, click Create to begin setting up a new browser profile for Gmail. Give your profile a clear name. Add tags and notes to keep your Gmail profiles organized. This helps when managing multiple inboxes or accounts. Next, choose the Startup tab behavior, operating system, and browser core. Mobile profile emulation is also available if you work with mobile-first Google services. Now move to the Proxy tab. Select a residential or mobile proxy. Multilogin includes built-in access to 30 million IPs across more than 150 locations, so each Gmail account appears as a separate user. Choose the country, region, or city that matches your target location for the Gmail account. If required, select a specific ISP to match a realistic local network environment. Click Check Proxy to confirm the IP address and location before continuing. After that, review the fingerprint settings. Multilogin allows you to customize more than 55 fingerprint parameters to keep each Gmail profile unique and isolated. If you plan to create many Gmail accounts, save this configuration as a template to speed up future setup. Click Create to save your browser profile. Your Gmail profile is ready to launch. If you need more Gmail accounts, just use Clone to duplicate the setup while keeping each profile independent. Enter how many profiles you need and confirm. Use AI quick actions from the search bar to speed up your workflow. Type a simple prompt, and Multilogin will automatically create the profiles for you. Now launch one of your profiles to begin. A verification window opens. Confirm your IP, region, time zone, and browser environment. Create a new Gmail account or log in to an existing one. Each profile stays isolated to avoid triggering security checks. Thank you for watching. With Multilogin, you can manage multiple Gmail accounts using isolated profiles and built-in proxies. Start your trial today.